Hello and welcome to FinThrive's on-demand webinar series. I'm James Bush, a solution strategist here at FinThrive. Today we'll be delving into the world of optimizing the patient experience by unlocking the power of pre-registration with a virtual intake manager and access coordinator. Our journey today will revolve around the efficient check-in process, exploring how intake manager features streamline the patient's check-in process, ensuring a quick start to their healthcare journey. We'll also delve into the integration benefits, communication enhancements, optimized payments, and the innovative use of geofencing and wayfinding technologies. Maximizing the patient's experience is a hot topic for healthcare leaders. While this notion isn't new, it has been pushed to the forefront because of satisfaction surveys, increased competition, and the Yelp effect in healthcare. Boosting the patient's experience is crucial, and improving the virtual intake and pre-registration is going to be key for success. Access Coordinator, a part of FinThrive's platform, eliminates the redundancy and the need for multiple systems. It works seamlessly, of course, with your EMR and your practice management systems. Now let's take a closer look at the virtual intake solution. What is virtual intake? It's a holistic approach that streamlines the patient's check-in process, integrates patients' information seamlessly, and improves communication between the registration and the clinical staff. It helps facilitate the ease of payment collections and employs an innovative way-finding solution in geofencing technologies. The virtual journey allows patients and staff to complete various parts of the intake process, step by step. As you can see from this diagram, on the green top part here, we're able to interact with our patients at a number of different points, from the estimate, scheduling, documentation, payment, registration, pay, check-in, and family, of course, updates. Now, some of the solutions, as you look into our deeper dive, some of the solutions are both patient-facing and provider-facing. This is represented by the taller columns along the dotted line. Now, whether it's provider-facing or patient-facing, they all work together for a seamless, holistic, integrated approach for our patient experience. Our Virtual Intake Manager, or VIM for short, offers a self-service solution to patients through their own devices. Patients can view a list of details, confirmations, cancel and reschedule appointments through our virtual intake solution. It supports the scheduled patients by sending a link through their text or emails, and patients can engage through the intake process and pre-registrations through various methods. We also include geofencing capabilities to enhance that patient's arrival experience. Imagine, of course, arriving to the facility with a wheelchair waiting for you and clear instructions to your next appointment. That's what the journey is for our virtual intake solution. Now let's take a look in the demo environment. We use a seamless login and no downloading with a multi-factor verification to ensure patients' privacy and security. We remove barriers to access by ensuring language selections are readily available within the solution. Let's begin. Patients are able to engage with their upcoming appointment and provider confirmation opportunities directly through the virtual intake management solution, including the ability to communicate whether or not they're going to reschedule or confirm their appointments. Patients are presented with opportunity to share their location. Now, this will enable our Access Coordinator geofencing and wayfinder technologies. Through the document management system, as you can see here, our Access Coordinator solution through Virtual Intake Manager allows you to collect important information from the patient. We use very simple iconography for our patients to indicate things that have been completed versus items that need to be done. Through the document management solution, we can take in and send back to your organization things like their insurance card and photo identification. We utilize OCR technology here at FinThrive to ensure accuracy of information being uploaded by our patients. Additionally, through the document management system, we remove the unexpected wait times upon arrival, presenting patients with the opportunity to complete documentations for pre-registration and/or surgeries. Patients even get the opportunity to sign documents digitally through the Access Coordinator solution. Our virtual intake management solution is smart enough to send the appropriate forms to the appropriate patients at the appropriate time. we try to knock out any frivolous forms or document repeats for our patients to, again, streamline that workflow for you, allowing the patients to engage with only the documentation that is needed for their upcoming appointment. Patients can even engage with copays, deductibles, and estimates through our payment system directly from the comforts of their home, removing the need for difficult conversations with our Flywire technology, allowing patients to even make payment arrangements that fit their pockets. As you can see here, I can even accept a credit card payment or do a partial payment for my upcoming copay or estimate. In conclusion, the virtual intake management by FinThrive, integrated through our Access Coordinator platform, delivers a digital experience patients expect. Patients can engage with their appointments, complete necessary documents, and even make payments from the comforts of their own homes. With features like a seamless login, language selections, and location sharing, Virtual Intake Manager ensures patients' privacy and security. The document management system eliminates unexpected wait times by presenting pre-registration documents, including the ability to upload identification with our OCR technology and insurance cards. Virtual Intake Manager empowers patients to manage their appointments, payments, and interactions conveniently, enhancing their overall healthcare experience. Thank you for joining us today on this exploration of the virtual intake management solution through Access Coordinator.